Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating a Centrex by Pioneer RH-65. Looks like. Let me just double check that. RH-65, yeah, nice little Pioneer recording deck, and we're just doing a quick final test before we send her back. So let's look at some. Let's play some. Can we find some Neil Sedaka today? Yes. Here's Neil. Okay, pop in some Neil Sedaka. And of course, we're going to switch tracks a bunch of times. You can see we've got output on both sides. Just take a quick look at our output level meters. Make sure we've got that going on. Both speakers working. Alrighty, try another couple of tapes here. How about some Herb Alpert? I'm going to see Herb in about 20 days, so this is a good time to test some Herb Alpert. Yeah, that's the end of a song. Not very exciting there. Okay, that's the quiet part of the song. It's going to be... We'll come back to this. Okay, that's pretty much it. We got our fast forward there and mutes the music while it's fast forwarding. Got our pause control here. Pretty cool stuff. And then we have our end of tape stop. And now we've stopped because we've got the end of tape stop. So in order to reset the machine, we got to pull the cartridge out and put her back in. Okay, and that's it. There's not a whole lot to test on a home unit. It's not a conversion or anything, so we don't have virtual balance and fader controls and all that cool stuff. So I'll just get back to me and get on out of here. I'm Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. My website's in the description below. My phone number for paying repair jobs only is 928-533-9666. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Don, for your business, and we'll see you guys next time.